Okay, this is a painting that's submitted by a student, and overall, again, it's pretty good. Uh, However, if you look at the leaf, it's done very well. The only problem I have is the color. Okay, the color going from green and suddenly jump over to ink only. Okay, so it's a good idea that if you like the bottom here to be dominated by ink, then your top part here, the green, should contain a bit of ink. So the transition are a little bit more better. And I would improve this by, you can see these green are more or less the same color. Perhaps that's, maybe two pieces of the leaf should have another variation of the color. Okay. Now flower is done, pretty good. Okay, and let's move on to the next one. Okay. Now this is a outline or gladiola, and you can see the student also done quite well. She's trying to improve the nailhead's rat's tail line, and um, I think more practice, the student should be able to handle this quite well. At this moment in time, I can see some of the line are good, but yet there's some line that's a little bit of reluctance. Okay, let's move to the next one. Okay, now in here you can see the leaf. The technique of painting the leaf is good, very good. Okay, um, color can be a little bit more better, and I think it's probably got to do with the blue the student have used. Okay, um, and then again, that's the flower combined with leaf. Now this one here is done by the same student, and I think this combination of leaf color are much better. Okay, and the flower is also pretty good too. Okay, okay, that's it. And if you have any more work, okay, from any of my students, you can submit it so I can give you a little bit of critique.